Bakrasangang Samling Monastery. Oh, look, it's more steps. And it's another gompy thing. Oh my god. Have you seen the size of this one?
Oh no, I've seen
That's a big prayer wheel, isn't it? Come on, give it a spin. Give it a spin. Well done. Look at go ding. It's not a dingy one.
Oh my god, I've got so much luck. I pray I'm going the long pass. I pray I'm going the long pass.
Don't forget to mine the 50,000 volt cable there, Sam, will you? It's just above your head. It's nice that she's covering her teeth. These two look happy while they're sleeping. There's a glacier. So as you can see, it's not quite as warm as it used to be. It's about -1 at the moment. It's fucking freezing. But yeah, it's a nice glacier and it's got clouds and things on it. And there's a lake. And there's a lake again. See? So yeah, we were acclimatised into the altitude today. It's about 3,500 metres and it's cold. Oh, it's cold!
Downtown Penang, look, you can hire a Wendy house for like £5 a night.
Oh, look at that.
They have a washing machine.
I'm really jealous.
A washing machine.
I know, it's amazing.
Oh,
And you can go to the cinema.
yeah.
Where's the cinema?
It's just up here on the right.
Oh yes.
Showing all the latest hits, like 7 Years in Tibet. When was that? 2000?
I don't think so.
As long as we make it in 2 days.
And there's the corner shop. It's the local supermarket.
That's still his kitchen.
I know, but there's here's the cinema.
Yeah. 7 Years in Tibet.
7 Years Tibet. What else is on?
Into Thin Air.
Alpine Vision Hall. And there it is. It's got 2 screens.
Oh my god.
And here's Daisy the usherette. She's going to sell you your ice cream later. The glacier a bit fell off it yesterday. Made a big noise and everybody got really excited, didn't they? Why are we going to Thorong La, George? Tell us why.
Making us. There's no other reason. None of us want to go over it except you.
What is it?
It's a road.
It's not a road.
It's a very high road.
It's a very. How high is it?
5,416 metres.
Which is in what feet?
2,000.
17,000.
17,000.
That there is the Thorong La Pass, and that's what we've got to get over. Yes. Plod.
Ian's making me carry his backpack as well.
The Del Bar power isn't working.
Isn't it?
No,
It's
for
not
24
24
hours.
hours. It's about 30 seconds.
Little tinkly ice cubes. Ice cubes? What are they called?
Icicle.
Icicles. And we're above the tree line now, and it's kind of getting more and more like a desert. And this is how you cart things around.
Get cameras out, boys. A picturesque cool 4 thing coming. Cool train things. Just give me jig.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Always have to remember to look behind.
No,
Look
we'll
at
have a
that.
look. It's amazing, isn't it? It's
Clockwise, no, oh right, okay. Clockwise, go. 3, 4, go. We got the. Oh,
Come
on,
keep going.
Oh, is it? Yay! And today, children, we get to go over another bridge. There it is down there, somewhere, I can't see it. Is it there? Anyway, yeah, there's a bridge there. And we get another view.
Hello. This is our first bit of snow.
Here we go.
I'm going to make a snowman.
There you go, it's there.
I'm making
You covered it up.
I'm making a snowman.
See it.
There's its body. And there's its head. There's my snowman. It's got two eyes and a nose.
Just in case you can't
It's
see
our
it.
first bit of snow. that
Yay.
we can touch. We've seen lots of snow. We've smelt lots of snow. And now we can touch
Touch that snow. Got the Germans in front of us now. That's where we stay tonight. You wouldn't believe how cold it is. It's freezing. And now it's starting to snow. That's where we're staying, in those little cold shed things. That's our only source of heat. There's no electricity. Everything's run from solar panels, and that's the only source of heat there is. One little wood burner thing. I'm moaning. How cold is it?
like a little troll.
How cold is it, Paul?
It's like a little troll on the roof.
How cold is it?
It's very cold. We're on our summer holiday. It's
It's snowing.
snowing. How cold?
How cold is it?
My knackers are that big.
You should see my Willy. He's a nub.
Okay, now we've got the hypochondria meter on George to see how much oxygen is in his blood. Now we're at 4,200 metres. It should be above 90%. Otherwise, you're going to die
If I hold my
instantly.
breath, does it hurt?
Oh, George is at 89, 69 beats per minute. Sam is at 86.
85 and dropping.
SPO2.
84 and dropping.
Sam needs to go straight to hospital. There is one.
It's time for Ian. Ian, are you alive?
Oh, mine was upside down.
It's all upside down.
No, mine was my finger
mine?
was upside down.
How can you think
85, I'm at 85.
It's going down.
80, 79,
You're 79.
77.
Oh my god, you've got no oxygen.
I had
That's funny because he's using.
This is a really
Oh
good
no, it's
thing.
going up again. It's going. Oh, it's all right. Paul, 89.
And do you know when you take that off?
Who was the one who was really poorly with oxygen?
I'm better now. Look,
Yes,
I've got
obviously.
over it.
88. Those came down.
It's going down.
Okay, well, it's dinner time, and I had potato rosti with egg. George has got
2-minute noodles.
super noodles and dishwater. Sam's got a rather delicious looking omelette, cheese omelette. And Paul's got rosti as well.
And dishwater on the side.
Has he got things in the bottom of the dishwater?
Horrible. We're going to give it back to them.
What's in the bottom of the dishwasher water?
Oh, there's a mushroom.
That's mushroom.
It is mushroom soup. There's a surprise. Is it horrible?
Like last night, just boiled water.
That's disgusting. Room for the night, wasn't it gorgeous, Sam?
It's beautiful and very cosy and cuddly warm.
Cuddly and warm. We had to take the windows up. As you can see, it's a bit basic.
Frost off with those.
No, because the air's so dry there isn't any frost, but it is absolutely fucking freezing. There you go. Lap of luxury.